It is God who arms me with strength and keep my ways secure. 2 Samuel chapter 22 verses 33. So today on the menu, we are going to make the most delicious and irresistible Ghanaian or African style party donuts. They are so good and very easy to make, family. So let's get right into it. I'd like to also gladly welcome you back to the Lovystouch food channel. Let's get started. So please let's go through the ingredients. Here I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. If you are in Ghana, please use soft flour. And to that I do have my 3 eggs, about 150 grams of salted butter. Please use margarine if that's what you have. We have evaporated milk, sugar, salt and baking powder, and I also have 1 orange. I'm going to do some magic with it, so please keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to add all my dry ingredients, which is the salt, flour and the baking powder. Mix it all together and set it aside. Right now, let's put all our wet ingredients together. In the bowl, I'm going to add my butter and the sugar, and I'm going to use my hand mixture to go ahead and whisk it very well. We want our donuts to be very fluffy and very light at the same time, okay? So it's really important to whisk it very well. So while at it, you go ahead and crack your eggs and add it one by one, okay? And whisk it till it becomes this creamy and fluffy. Can see this has been mixed really well, and I do have my hand mixture here on my Amazon storefront. I have listed down below in the description box. All right, so to get rid of that eggy smell, we are going to grate 1/4 part of this orange, and that is going to help us get rid of the eggy smell. You can go ahead and use lemon zest as well, or vanilla essence. Really totally depends on you. Okay, go ahead and mix it for about 30 seconds and then add your flour mixture. Please, you know that it should be little by little. Don't add everything at once. And once you add your flour mixture, add a little bit of the evaporated milk. You can also choose to use water if you do not want to have any milk in here. It's totally fine, okay? And this is the consistency that we need, not too thick, not too light. All right, beautiful. It is airy, it is fluffy, and it just smells so good. And with this one, you don't even need to let it rest for any amount of time. Once you're done with the butter, you're ready to fry it. Okay, so right now I'm going to get my oil ready. Always choose to use smaller pots just so that you can save some oil. Okay, so once the oil is nice and warm and hot, I'll go ahead and drop in, but first you need to drop your hands in water. It just make it very easy for you to work with your hands, right? So with this, it does not even require any special way to drop it. Honestly, I was dropping it anyhow. It was still round and beautiful. If you want a very definite shape, rounded shape, you can go ahead and use your ice cream scoop or spoon for even easier way to drop these beautiful babes. Go ahead and be turning them as it heats up, okay? You don't want them to be burning, all right? And always fry on a medium heat. So yes, we'll be frying them for about 10 minutes now. They are golden brown, so good, and the aroma in here smells so lovely. So go ahead and take them out, repeat until all your dough is done. This is the method that I've always used for puff puff. It's good for this as well. Just look at this, so easy to work with. I really want you to try this, okay fam? These are absolutely delicious. So you go ahead and turn them until you're done with the second batch, the third batch, how many batches you have. Okay, go ahead and fry and fry and fry. You're going to absolutely enjoy these donuts. And of course, we need to put it in our paper towel once you're done, just so that the excess oil will be extracted. We are done, family. This is absolutely irresistible, and be very cautious about it because they're so naughty. You cannot stop eating this, please. I'm giving you that big caution, okay? They are so good. Kids go wild for this. It just go like the wind once you make them. I really hope you give this a try. They are so good, and as you can see, it's super easy to make as well. This is a snack. You can definitely have it as breakfast with your spicy hot Hausa cocoa, which I also have a recipe of. I'm going to link it here and below as well. This are super good. I really hope you're inspired to try this, especially for the kids. They will love you for this. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. Please be sure to like this video if you enjoyed the recipe and share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. So please go ahead and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.